Hudson, Smith, Williams yng nghanol y cae. Kirkman yn opsiwn i'r chwith, Bas wedyn ar y cynnig cyntaf i Redmond. Ar draws mae hi teg at Ryan Brobl. Fel cyllall boeth trwy fenyn. A dim ond 2 funud a hanner o'r gêm sydd wedi chwarae. Mae'r pencampwyr y Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. Williams dan bwysau gan Davies ar Bas yn rhyddhau Baker. Cyfle i Leo Smith am yr ail yn taro traws. Kirkman yna wedyn. Bron o gael ei faglu. Wilson yn taro yr amddiffynwr. McManus a'r Bale yna wedyn yn cael ei gwiro allan am gic gornel. Ton ar ôl ton o mosiadiadau gan y Seintiau Newydd. Lledu'r chwarae rwan i Kirkman. Ben Clark. Redmond. Groesiad ag at Brobl, cyffyrddiad cyntaf da gan y fo, mae'r ail. Gol o'r prynhawn iddo fo ar Seintiau Newydd. Chwarter awr ar y cloc. Yn dod ddrwg i waith i'r tîm cartra. Unwaith eto, Redmond a Brobl yn cyfuno. Davies yn camu ymlaen, neb yn gael lawr. Amser i'r gydio. A gormod amser o lawer. Dutton yn edrych yn syn ar ei amddiffynwyr. A pam nath Wakona ddim cau Davies i lawr. Erbys dim y Seintiau Newydd tair. Kirkman. Tynnu mewn i Redmond. Redmond, groesiad, un beryglus, ag at y post un pella. A mae'r golwr di methu hi. Smonach llwyr gan Dutton. Baker methu manteisio, ond dyno am ei hat-trick. Oedd Ryan Brobl 12 munud o'r hanner cynta yn weddill 4 o'r pnawn i'r Seintiau Newydd. Smith, ffwrdiad da i Clark. Mae yna led ochr bell ar cae gan Wilson. A Baker ar ras yn ymuno go. Wilson mynd i hun ar ergyd. Baker yn rhwydo y 5 o'r pnawn yr arbediad. A di bod yn ymosod droion lawr yr asgell lle yna. Ashley Baker ac yn cael ei gol o'r diwedd i gyntaf o'r tymor i'r Seintiau Newydd. Leo Smith. Dacl hwyr gan Ashley Baker ar Phillips. O, mae George Pearce wedi gwthio Baker yn ei gefn. Mae o'n cael ail gerdyn melyn sy'n troi'n gerdyn coch. Captain Airbus fe ar y ddiar oedd yn mynd drwy benno. Smith a lle yng nghanol y cae. Clark o'i flaen. Wydd i'r chwith fel Kirkman sy'n mynd i bei Nicholas yn llawer ei hawdd. A'r groesiad i mewn teg at Brobl. Arbeniad lawr teg at Ben Clark. I gael fo hat-trick ar Wilson Steffan. A dy gael un arall pnawn ma. Gyda 90 eiliad o'r hanner cyntaf yn weddill. Smith. Teg at y Miller Cwrt Cosby. Dan Redmond. Ar ergyd fflachio i golwr Lewis Dutton. A mae di heiddi hwnna prynaw ma. 6 munud mae di gymryd o'r ail hanner i'r Seintiau Newydd. Trydydd o'r tymor i Redmond. 7 nedd i'r Seintiau. Redmond digon o le gan o. Pas dda gan Chislovic i Redmond. A'r groesiad teg at Brobl. A'r bediad o didog tro ma gan Dutton. Williams allan yn sgwar i Astles. Astles dy Miller gydio. Na, mae'n tynnu nôl i Redmond sy'n camu ar draws yr amddiffynwyr y groesiad. Teg at Chislovic. Rwan mae'n gyfle Canavan. A mae o'n sgorio drwy goesa'r amddiffynwyr. Mi gymryd i wiriad i dwyllio'r golwr. Ail o'r tymor i'r eilydd Jake Canavan. Erbys dim y Seintiau Newydd 8.
It's always good to get 3 points, that's the main thing, but I think in the manner we've done it, it was a professional performance, and yeah, to end the year on a high with 3 points is what we needed.
You know yourself, you don't score many, but you know there's a clinical finish from 20 yards.
Yeah, to be fair, it's opened up, obviously it doesn't help with they had the man down, so there's more space in there for us. I had a bit of time, it took me touch and I managed to find the far corner.
we didn't want to be complacent, come here. Obviously, you know, it's plain to see they're going through a tough time. They've got a lot of young players, you know, and at some point they will win games. They've had a couple of close games against Connaskey, Bala, Penabont, so we didn't want to be the ones that were going to slip up here, but I thought the lads professionally were fantastic from the first minute to the last minute.
It's always a tough one when you can see that early. You set out a plan. When you're playing against these, you need to try and be detailed with your plan. You set that out, and after 3 minutes, when you can see the goal like we did, yeah, it becomes a long day.
6-0 at half time. Disappointed they didn't kick on then, score more goals in the second half?
Look, the man out of me in the way I am, of course I want to score as many goals as I can, you know, and that's just the way it is. But yeah, I think obviously with 10 men, a very young team, 6-0 at half time, yeah, I thought we were very respectful and we played right till the end, and we played the way we wanted to play in a high tempo, and you know, in the second half was just about us making sure we don't get any injuries and making sure then we can prepare right for Tuesday.